Imagine waking up to find a mysterious app on your phone that you never downloaded or heard of. It doesn't show up in the usual places, and you don't know what it does. How did it get there? Why did Google install it without asking you? Is something going on behind the scenes? That app is called Android System Key Verifier. It's a security tool made by Google to help identify of people you chat with in encrypted apps. But some worry it might also let Google keep an eye on us. To start this app, open up the Settings app on your Android phone, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Here you can see an app called Android System Key Verifier. Tap on it. Now tap Uninstall from the bottom left. Then tap OK to confirm. And that's all for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, take care,